Okay, so now this unit is up and running. This was the compressor. This was the one that had the leak right here where the copper snapped. Now if you look, I don't know if the video can catch it or not. Do you see that vibrating? See that little line right there? It's just vibrating like hell. Let's see if I can get if I could grab that with my hand. Ah, shit. Okay, if you can see this, it just, see it now? It should be still to the camera. Let's see if I can zero in on it. See that thing vibrating? That's a dumbass. That is just fucking dumbass piece of shit. They tried to bang these things out so they could make money and throw them out on the market to the cannabis places because they know they want dehumidifiers. It's a hot ticket for marketing. This is a big dollar item. Basically, this big item that they sell for like $6 grand is only about 400 bucks in manufacturing. There ain't shit here, and they sell them for $6 grand. After it gets marked up, after the next guy marks it up and distributes it, throws it a name, imports it and everything like that, there ain't shit here for parts. There's just 3 coils, a freaking cheap $30 compressor, cheap ass inverter board. This is like your bottom of the line filter inverter board with an inductor, a choke. That's it. And having shit like this is totally fucking unacceptable for marketing. That means every one of these units that are out there, that they're all suspended. See, when I grab, yeah, every one of these units that are out there will be doing exactly the same thing. Is there's going to be a lot of pattern failures of these lines cracking. And you see how close this is right over here? So on another one, if they have any of these units where it's slightly touching the copper right there, it'll rub through and you'll get a rub through and a leak. So yeah, this is just push it through, blow it out, collect our money kind of manufacturing. All right, I'll see you on the next one. These are all, there's going to be many failures on this manufacturer right there, that guy, that part number, that model number. If any of you guys have these models and they're failing a couple weeks or months after you put them in from breaking this line, it's because some asinine person was the one who developed this system and put it together and didn't support stuff. All right, see you guys.